I've always had an infatuation with big-bodied, big-motor Buicks, and this is going to be a very special one that we're going to showcase today. This is a 1973 Buick Centurion. It has a 455, and it is amazing to drive. We put 200 miles on it so far, and it's so much fun. It just floats over the road. If you guys want to find out full details, click on the link below. That's going to have underside shots and a full gallery. If you're looking for perfect, this is not perfect, but if you're looking for something that you could jump in and drive anywhere, this is your Buick. Let's do it. Overall condition, I'd rate this a 7 out of 10. That's a 70% scale. The reason for that is there are minor imperfections throughout, small scratches, and the top is starting to show its age. There are small imperfections where there is rust present, but it's not bad, and we're going to showcase that today. Front end is amazing. So you have this beautiful big chrome grille here. You have the Centurion, and you have your Buick logo. You have the chrome bezels for your headlights, and everything works on this car. So you can actually jump in it and drive it and have a blast. It sounds great with that motor. Let's go down the driver's side. The door hang is noticeable right here, so you see it's lower, and that's just because of the actual mounts. Interior is a tobacco color. Steering wheel is near perfect, and we'll showcase that later on in the video. Small tear right here. I'll just open the doors. My favorite part, look at that, free air. No post in my way. So you can open up the doors and see that the carpet's very nice. Small tear on this corner, and then the center section of the seat has imperfections as well. This is the original material. Rear seats are very nice. You do have a folding center section. The deck lid, the sun is starting to get to it, so there is discoloration on the top half, but not bad at all. Look at all the door edges as well. So this is what I always look for when I'm looking at older vehicles. You want to see it, you can see the pinch weld for the door. You still have the factory sticker. It looks like it has been resprayed at one point, but it shows very well. Doors close nicely. Listen to that. Like a safe Buick. You have hubcaps that are very nice as well. Tires are in great shape. I believe the tires are from 2021, and we'll have that in the gallery. Rear section's very nice. It looks like the dealership name was taken off, so they used to stick the name here. That's removed. Trunk lid is very nice as well, and it kind of gives you an Impala style vibe from the front and the rear when you look at it straight on. This would normally have the logo, which is not there any longer, and you ready for the good stuff? So I may or may not include what I have here to show you. Come on, come closer. I want you to zoom out from what we're about to get into. Give me this camera, come on. Okay, oh, there's a car cover covered. Hold on, let me pull the car cover. Look at this. This is ridiculous. We got a signed Rusty Draper A-Track. These are all A-Tracks. This is a trunk full of A-Tracks. Signed to Gary, Brenda Lee, Kenny. The list goes on. I actually have Elvis in there, and it works still. It works great. Got another box here, full of them. It doesn't stop. The fun's not stopping. Carlos Santana. We're going to play that. You're going to hold that in your pocket. Trunk is very nice, solid, no rust. Corner edges are very nice as well. Put the car cover back in there. So should I include all the A-Tracks? Yeah. I'm going to do that. They're included. Chrome around the bumper is very nice. Little imperfection right here. Small imperfection on the trunk lid as well. Passenger quarter is very nice, but there are imperfections. Small chip here and throughout. You do have the pinstriping, which is a vinyl pinstriping. The vinyl top is starting to show its age. This is definitely the original top, and you can see the small cancerous spot right here if you come close. So it's not through. You can treat it and cover it if you'd like, and just continue to enjoy this machine. Passenger side door, very nice. Nice pinch welds. The door cards are actually very nice. You have your Buick mats as well. It's clean. Let me start it and we'll open up the hood. All right, let's start it up. Oh yes, sounds good. 455. Let's go to the front, we'll pop the hood. CB radio, that could also be one of the reasons I bought it. All right. Oh, 455. Brand new accessory, still has a smog pump on it. Best compressor ever made. This will always work. Engine bay looks very nice. Insulation is original. Lynn's Service Center touched this vehicle at one point. If you come to this side, you're gonna see that it does have power steering, power brakes, air condition, no cruise control. Brand new Gates hose right here, nice and soft. Let's jump in it and go for a ride. So we're gonna take this Buick for a test drive around Ravenswood so you guys can see it shift through the gears, etc. I told you guys about the 8-track. Do you have that 8-track? We'll take Elvis out and let's put Carlos Santana in. That's what I would like to hear. It's in stereo. Oh, I have to put it in selector mode. Carlos doesn't want to play.
Details of how this all has to.
Radio operates. Let's try Elvis again. Let's see how Elvis does. There we go. Beautiful. A legendary performer. So that operates. Speedometer is working. Our fuel gauge is working. We have a rear defrost. AC. We could put it on. It is blowing, but not cold, so I would recommend a recharge on that. Let's see. No, it's cold from the, it is cold. The AC is cold. It's just blowing from the bottom, so the vacuum for the top half is not operating. I knew it was cold. Suspension feels really good. Listen to that 455. Yeah, buddy. That's the 55 miles per hour. It floats down the road. Turn the air off. Steering's actually very precise and tight. You have a glove box here, which is locked right now. Windows all operate as they should, so if you look at the gallery, you're going to see all the pictures of the windows up and down. Brakes are even. I like this car. Headliner's nice. Door cards show very well. Obviously, the seat has some imperfections. This glass right here has a small chip in it. Probably someone trying to get inside of it at some point. How's it feel back there, Felix?
Amazing. I feel like this.
You have a lot of room, leg room?
Oh yeah, all day. 6 foot. Back here chilling.
Next service is 33,000 miles. It's showing 28,000 miles. Oh, that's awesome. Shifting through all the gears as it should. It's so nice here in Florida today. It's 74 degrees, so we have the windows down, but the AC does operate. The only thing that's not working is the actual vacuum for the top half is not flipping the actual door, so the air is only coming from the floors. So it does get cold inside here, but the actual vacuum needs to be repaired. Turn right here. No hesitation in the carb at all. Very, very smooth. It's a good one. If you guys have any questions, give us a call, 954-363-2261. We're gonna do a turnaround here and head back and get you guys some beautiful outside shots. Once again, thank you for watching this video. 954-363-2261.